Dear students, see the sixth question. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Which of the following represent the same rational number? See the first question. Here 7, negative 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. If we convert the given rational number to the simplest form, we will get here 7 by negative 7 by 21 means here 7 ones are 7 threes are negative 1 by 3. Likewise, the other one is 3 by 9. We will get ones are 3 threes are. Okay, that means 1 by 3. But here this is negative 1 by 3. This is a negative rational number. This is a positive rational number. So, the given rational number negative 7 and 21, 3 by 9 are not same rational numbers. Are not same rational numbers. Okay. See the second one. It is negative 16 by 20 and 20 by negative 25. Negative 16 by 20. If we take the simplest form of this, we will get 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. That means negative 4 by 5. The second rational number is 20 by negative 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. That means 4 by negative 5. It can also be written as negative 4 by 5. See here, both the rational numbers are same. So, here we have to write that negative 16 by 20 and 20 by negative 25 are same rational numbers. Okay, same rational numbers. Likewise, you have to do the other problems. Here negative 2 by negative 3 and 2 by 3. Negative 2 and negative 3 means both are negative, so it is a positive integer 2 by 3. The given other integer also 2 by 3, both are positive terms, so they are the same rational number. Then fourth question, negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. If we simplify 12 by 20, we will get negative 3 by 5. So, these two are the same rational number. Then fifth one, negative 8 by 5 and negative 24 by 15. If we simplify, negative 8 by 5 can also be written as, here positive 8 by negative 5 can also be written as negative 8 by 5. Okay. If we simplify negative 24 by 15, we will get 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. That means negative 8 by 15. Both are same rational. 1 by 3 and negative 1 by 9. They are not a same rational numbers because they are not a like fractions. Let's move to the seventh one. Negative 5 by negative 9. Here both are negative terms. So we can do rational numbers. Here one term is negative, so it is a negative rational number. Numbers are same, but here it is positive, here it is a negative rational number. So they are not same rational numbers. Then move to the seventh question. Rewrite the following rational numbers in a simplest form. See the first question. Negative 8 by 6. Here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Here 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So in a denominator negative 4 and in a numerator negative 4 and in a denominator negative 3. It is the simplest form of negative 8 by 6. The second question is 25 by 45. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. So 5 5s are 5 9s are. Simplest form is 5 by 9. The next one is negative 44 by 72. Here 11 4s are 44. 11 here 11 4s are 82. Here 4 18s are 72. 4 11s are 44. 4 18s are 72. So here 4 11s are, here 4 18s are. So negative 11 by 18 is the simplest form of negative 44 by 72. The next one is negative 8 by 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So here 2 4s are, here 2 5s are. That is negative 4 by 5 is the simplest form of that rational number. Eighth question is filling the boxes with the correct symbol of greater than, smaller than and equal to. Okay, we have to put the symbol greater than and smaller than and equal to. If it is equal to, we have to put equal symbol. If greater than, which rational number is great, then put the symbol according to that. See the first one, negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. For that, we have to compare the given two rational number. To compare, we have to take the LCM of these two rational number, because we have to make the given rational number to like terms. So, here given rational numbers are negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Both are unlike terms. Take the LCM of 7 and 3. The LCM of 7 and 3 is here 3. 7 won't divide by 3. So write 7 as it is. 3. 1s are 3. From here 7. 1s are 7. 1. So the LCM is 21. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So negative 5 by 7 when multiplied by both the numerator and denominator by 3, we will get 21 in denominator and negative 15 in the numerator. For 2 by 3 multiplied by 7 by 7, 2 7s are 21. To get numerator, in numerator we have to get 21. In denominator we will get 14. Okay, now these two rational numbers become like terms. Now compare. Here it is negative 15 by 21. It is positive 14 by 21. Here this one is negative term. This one is positive term. So obviously the positive term is greater than the negative term. So here negative 15 by 21 means negative 5 by 7. Here 14 by 21 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than negative 5 by 7. See the second one. Negative 4 by 5 and negative 5 by 7. Both are the negative terms. So we have to convert them to like terms. For that we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Both are unlike terms. So take the LCM of denominator. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So negative 4 by 5 is multiplied by 7 and both the numerator and denominator by 7. 4 7s are 28. In denominator 35. Here negative 5 by 7 into 5 by 5. In both the numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 5 5s are negative 25. Here 35. Now both become like terms. Now compare 28 divided by 35. Here 25 divided by 35. See here 25. The number 25 is smaller than 28. But here it is negative terms. Both are negative terms. So you know that the numbers goes on to the left of 0, the value decreases. So here negative 28 is smaller than a negative 25. Okay, here negative 28 means negative 28 by 35 means negative 4 by 5, which is smaller than negative 5 by 7. Okay. Likewise, you compare all the other rational numbers and find out the answer for this. Okay. See the sixth one. Here 5 by negative 11. Here negative 5 by 11. Here 5 by negative 11 can also be written as negative 5 by 11. And the other given term is negative 5 by 11. So both the rational numbers are equal. Okay.